Well, if you were out and about on Sunday, you might have heard a very loud booming noise. Take a listen. A Fox 4 viewer snapping cell phone video of the noise that echoed throughout Fort Myers earlier today as well, even upstaging thunder in the background. 4 in Your Corner's Michael CADIGAN explaining what was going through people's minds when they heard it. He is live in the newsroom now. Hey, Michael.
Hey, Amy. I spoke with a few people out by Palm Beach Boulevard off of I-75 where they said the sound was so deafening it caused them to stop what they were doing and try to figure out what the sound was and where it was coming from.
I would say if you went and stood at the end of the runway at Southwest Regional as a jet was taking off, a commercial jet, that's probably about the noise level that we had here.
All right, people, tell me I'm hearing that noise. The sound was almost deafening.
Yeah, you could feel it. There was a vibration, just a small vibration in everything.
The sound came and went in intervals. Silence one moment, and then this.
Hear that noise?
We're just sitting here, me and my neighbor sitting in the garage talking, and all of a sudden it sounded like a jet engine trying to take off out of my backyard.
While his wife went to the phone lines, Robert Houston took matters into his own hands.
She makes a little noise too. So we got in my truck, went down the end of the road, across the marina, about a half a mile from here, and the noise was still farther east, obviously coming from the power plant.
Houston thinking the problem was a blown turbine at the plant near his home. His wife finding an answer to his hunch, she got a hold of someone from FP&L.
She was on the phone all in all about a half an hour trying to get an answer of whether or not they knew if anything was going on, any kind of a test or anything like that. And as far as they said, as far as we know, no test. We do realize there's a problem and it's being looked into.
Neighbors also telling me they called a number of places to try and see about the noise, calling everyone, the police department, the fire department, and eventually Florida Power and Light. Now they hope the loud noises don't continue. In the newsroom, Michael CADIGAN, Fox 4 in your corner.
All right.